All right. Cleaning your house can be a pain, especially when you have to vacuum and mop separately. So what if one device could do both at the same time? Today, we're taking a closer look at the Xiaomi Truclean W20 wet-dry vacuum. This is a 3-in-1 cleaner that promises to vacuum, mop, and even clean itself. But is it actually worth it in 2026? And more importantly, how do you use it properly? Let's find out. First, let's talk about what makes this vacuum different. The Xiaomi Truclean W20 is not your typical vacuum. It's designed to handle both wet and dry mess in one go. That means dust, dirt, spills, even sticky stains. You can clean them without switching tools. It combines vacuuming and mopping at the same time, which makes cleaning faster and more efficient. Now, in terms of design, it's pretty modern and functional. It has a self-propelled system, which means it kind of pushes itself forward while you clean. So instead of dragging a heavy vacuum, it actually feels lighter and easier to control, even with one hand. Let's talk about performance. This vacuum has around 15,000 pascals of suction power, which is strong enough for everyday cleaning. It can pick up dust, hair, and even small debris without a problem. But the real highlight here is the mopping system. The roller brush spins at up to 500 RPM while water is continuously flowing. That means it's not just wiping the floor, it's actually scrubbing it. And here's something cool. It has a real-time self-cleaning system. While you're mopping, the roller is being cleaned with water at the same time. So you're not spreading dirty water around your floor, which is a common issue with cheaper mops. Now let's talk about battery life. You're getting around 30 minutes of usage on a full charge. That's enough for small to medium-sized homes. But if you have a bigger space, you might need to recharge before finishing everything. The water tanks are also pretty decent. You get separate clean and dirty water tanks, so hygiene is better compared to traditional mops. Less mixing, less mess. Now let's move to the how to use part, because this is important. Step 1. Fill the clean water tank. Just use water and avoid strong chemicals unless recommended. Step 2. Power it on and start cleaning. The vacuum will automatically suck dirt while mopping at the same time. Step 3. Switch modes if needed. There's usually a normal mode and a stronger suction mode depending on how dirty your floor is. Step 4. After cleaning, place it back on the dock and press the self-cleaning button. This will wash the roller brush automatically so you don't have to do it manually. And here's a pro tip. Always let the roller dry after cleaning to avoid bad smell or bacteria buildup. Now, let's talk about hidden features and tips. First, edge cleaning. This vacuum can clean closer to walls and corners better than most wet vacuums, which is a big advantage. Second, anti-hair tangling. The roller has a special scraper design that helps remove hair buildup, so you won't have to clean it as often. Third, one-hand operation. Because of the self-propelled design, you don't need much effort to move it around. But, of course, it's not perfect. It's a bit bulky compared to regular vacuums, especially if you're used to lightweight stick vacuums. Also, it's mainly designed for hard floors, tiles, wood, or laminate. It's not ideal for carpets. And the 30-minute battery life might feel short for larger homes. So, is the Xiaomi Truclean W20 worth it? If you want something that can save time and clean both wet and dry mess in one go, this is actually a solid option. It's convenient, efficient, and packed with smart features. But if you only need basic vacuuming or you have a lot of carpets, then this might not be the best choice for you. At the end of the day, this device is all about convenience. It reduces effort, saves time, and simplifies cleaning. So yeah, that's my honest review and quick tutorial for the Xiaomi Truclean W20. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this. See you in the next one.